What's up everyone? It's the Grand Marquis Doctor. I'm back. Today I'm finna be sharing a story on how I got some new wheels for my Mercury Grand Marquis. So my homie Alberto recently upgraded his new Edge Mustang wheels and decided to sell me his old set for $250, but your boy had to lowball him and I got him for $200 instead. Deals on wheels. Now hold on, let me tell you guys why I lowballed him. Two wheels were different colors and one of them needed a new tire. Bruh, somebody was really hating and stabbed the side walls of the wheel. Like, really bruh? Really? Now I gotta pay for it? So the first thing I ordered was a new tire from Amazon for $90. Yo, Amazon got deals on tires, you just have to wait for them to arrive.
Hola, ¿qué onda? ¿Cómo estás? Bebé, ¿cómo estás? Aquí mira, ocupo una nueva llanta, la tengo yo. Solo la ocupo que instalar y balancear, por favor. ¿Una nomás? Sí, solo una.
Then I paid $30 for a tire shop to install it and balance it. Not bad, but the wheels needed to match. I can't be cruising around with two different color wheels. So after watching a couple of YouTube videos, I felt confident and decided to spray paint them myself to save some cash and make them look fresh and clean. So I gathered all the supplies for 80 bucks and got to work. Now, let me tell y'all, I didn't realize how long the process would take. From cleaning the wheels to sanding them down, applying primer, waiting for them to dry, then painting them, and finally adding that clear coat. It was a full day's job. And though sun was hella beating down, it was hella hot out there. Well, despite the heat and the time it took, I'm really happy how it turned out. The wheels look hella clean on the Grand Marquis, giving it that unique and upgraded look. So what do you guys think? Did I get a good deal on the wheels? Did the wheels turn out cool? Let me know in the comment section. Next, I gotta lower down the suspension. Check out this big gap right here. Doesn't look right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.